So we are about to take another road trip to go get, well, we're not going to buy a whole car. We're just going to buy the heart. We're going to buy an engine. So the engine on the Charger died. Of course, you guys all know that. And so we found, I wanted to go with the 6.1. I thought we had a line on a 6.1, but that kind of fell through, and all the 6.1s were more than I wanted to pay. And so we found basically a brand new engine from a mechanic about 2 hours from here in Lufkin. And so we're going to run up there, go pick it up, and come back home and maybe get it in the car to, well, maybe not today, but this weekend, and have a running and driving car. So, so we got the engine. The problem is there's no tie-down straps in this Expedition,
which surprises me.
Now, when we did this with the minivan,
okay,
it had tie-down straps.
I think that's
It's tipping.
It's tipping. Yeah, it's the ratchet straps.
Okay, well, release the ratchet straps.
We're gonna have to pull it up to where it's against the seat in order for it to.
The tire ain't doing shit, and we just ripped.
Oh my god! We just ripped the carpet.
We just ripped the carpet. Oh well.
Also, because the tire's not doing anything, because it's only on one
I mean, how's it sitting?
I mean, it's sitting on the tire. Like, it's leaning on the tire.
Anytime you want to move would be great. Okay, so we got the engine in finally. Got it strapped down. So we're back to Houston.
Ow.
Okay, now you can close it.
Not on my head.
That'd be fun.
I already hit my head inside of there.
So much easier with shorter chains.
Yeah? Okay, is that...
No.
No, yeah, that's as far as it'll go.
Is it?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah, well, yeah, because it's hitting, this is hitting your license plate.
Ooh.
But as...
So we got it in. Now we got it aligned. We got 2 transmission bolts on there.
2 motor mount bolts.
And then 2 motor mount bolts. So it is sitting in its new home for hopefully for 200,000 miles.
200 more thousand miles.
I still think this is one of the most reliable cars ever.
Why does that have to be so hard? Okay, 3, 2, 1.
Okay.
It works!
That is loud.
It works! And it smells! Hey, watch it!
Okay, so we got the engine in, it started, it ran. I've been driving it for about a year now. Well, the engine's been in for a year. I can't say I've been driving it for a year because I've actually got a new car, and I'll show you guys later. But the car has done awesome. So we got the engine back, as you saw. We've spent about $1,000 worth of parts, and the only thing we forgot to change, we changed the water pump gasket. We pretty much changed everything. The only thing we forgot was the valve cover. Well, of course, it's leaking. So we're gonna have to eventually change out the valve covers. I mean, I spent $3,000 on that engine. I really wanted to go with the 6.1. I really wanted to go with the SRT8 engine. But I just could not find one that I could afford without having to put a whole bunch of other work into it. So we went with the 5.7, and the 5.7 is a great engine. You know, 340 horsepower. This one's completely rebuilt. You know, I still love this car. I still think it's one of the most reliable cars I've ever had. You know, the engine gave up at 220,000 miles. I mean, you know, I can't complain about that. Anyway, I love this car. I still don't expect to get rid of it ever. I still think it's going to be one of those future classics. You know, you're starting to see less and less of the first generation LX Chargers, especially ones that are in good shape, and especially the RTs. So again, I'm going to keep this car, you know, until something happens to it, until it gets into an accident, gets totaled out or something. So I appreciate you watching. It's a lot of fun to have these little adventures with my kids and playing around with cars. And, you know, I know we don't get into the, you know, oh, how do you take this off to get to the, I don't have time to tape that. It's just more fun, you know, with me and my kids having some fun playing around with cars. So I hope you liked the videos. Please like, share, and subscribe. Let me know what you like to see, and we'll try to get it on. So until next time.